Want to make passive income with affiliate marketing? This recommended affiliate programs and passive income playlist features top affiliate programs, digital tools, and services you can promote to earn commissions. Learn how to start, where to promote, and maximize your earnings through strategic affiliate marketing. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, these videos will help you scale your online income. Subscribe for strategies, top affiliate opportunities, referral links, and must-have tools to scale your digital business. Affiliate marketing disclosure. Some links in this playlist may be affiliate links. If you purchase through these links, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Your support helps keep this channel running and allows me to create more valuable content. Thank you. Earnings disclaimer. Results may vary. The strategies shared here are for educational purposes only. There's no guarantee you'll earn money using the strategies mentioned. Your success depends on your effort, skills, and market conditions. Always do your own research and due diligence before making any investment or business decisions. General disclaimer. The information shared in this playlist is based on my personal experience and research. I am not a legal or financial advisor. For any legal, tax, or business advice, please consult with a licensed professional.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Let us promote your digital services and products online to earn and grow with us today. Thank you for watching this video and have a good one.